In this video, I'll show you how you can access age-restricted Discord servers on iOS. So if you're currently on the Discord app and you're trying to get into a age-restricted server, it might not give you access, right? And that's because you haven't got the setting turned on. Now, we can't actually turn on the setting inside of the Discord app. Instead, what you want to do is go to Chrome, and you want to go ahead and enter in here discord.com. So just type in Discord, and you can do this also on Safari. I just like to use Google Chrome, so go ahead and type in Discord and then click on discord.com. Now from here, you want to go ahead and log in. So go to the three lines in the top left-hand corner, and you need to log in. Now you might notice there is no login button because we're on the mobile site, so we need to go ahead and switch to the desktop site, and then there'll be a notification, or a setting rather, that we can check, which allows us to join adult servers. So go ahead and click on the three dots in the bottom right hand corner. Then you want to request desktop site. This is on Google Chrome. You can also do this on Safari. So request the desktop site. Now it might be a little bit annoying and it might not actually give you the desktop site. Your best way of doing this is to go back to Google, then request the desktop site, and then once you're on the desktop version of Google, you can then try and get to the desktop version of Discord. Now, I understand that sometimes it just doesn't want to work for you, so you just have to keep trying to request the desktop site. What might work is if you go to one of these other links here. So if I go to company, we can then try and log in from here. So if we go ahead and click open Discord, here you can see we are now on the Discord web app. Now on the Discord web app, what you want to do, you want to go to the settings cog once you've logged in, then go to privacy and safety. And then from here, now this is going to be a bit fiddly because again, we're not on the mobile app. So now I've rotated my phone. You can see here, allow access to age restricted servers on iOS. All you want to do is go ahead and check and enable this. Once you've got this enabled, you'll then be able to access adult content servers on iOS. So if that was helpful, please leave me a like and comment down below.